the 2011 Hyundai Sonata. This four-door, five-passenger sedan is ready to drive off the showroom floor. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. The following features are included: heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and air conditioning. Hyundai ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface no matter how challenging the driving conditions. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment at our dealership.